Hi guys, yes, welcome back to Kerrine's Up Top Kitchen. I'm going to cook some brown stew chicken, and I'm going to do turkey with me, journey with me, cooking my brown stew chicken.
Oh, we at the door. Somebody there at the door.
Okay,
Hold on.
somebody was at the door, so I don't know who order Uber Eats. Nobody know the Uber Eats inside there because I'm me Uber Eats. I cook. Okay? So everybody nobody have to order Uber Eats. So let's set the camera as I can see. Right. So this is the chicken. We're gonna go you can already clean up. So I'm gonna wash it and put some vinegar. So meantime it's there. Meanwhile it's there, I'm soaking on the vinegar water. Let me show you guys now what I'm going to use in my season the meat. So you know what is this already? This is my blend of season. You know, my onion, my scallion, little turmeric, thyme, garlic, pepper, all of them season them I have blend up in this. So instead of me have to cut up, me just have all of that. And this what this? Oh, this is a paprika, right? This and this look alike. Me use local cayenne pepper because I run out of real country pepper, so I use a little cayenne pepper. So cayenne pepper and paprika, they look alike. And you know, I use my gravy master to get browning and make it taste good. And this is garlic. And this is the adobo. This gives a little flavor and a little salt. I'm going to put no salt on my chicken. And this is Maggi all-purpose. I use a Maggi all-purpose season. This season come from Jamaica. This is a chicken season. Somebody sent it up for me from Jamaica. It's chicken season. I don't know what type of what is in it, but then it's a chicken season. So since it's a chicken season, I use it. And my black pepper as usual. So now I'm going to wash. Now I'm going to wash my I can fix the camera. Good. So now wash my chicken. See, it's up nice already. This is my favorite part of the chicken, the bony area, the chicken. See? Yeah, that's my part of the chicken. So the water is cold water, and I shall wash it tonight. Sometimes some of the chicken have some slimy on it. All right. See? Chicken done wash. Right? All right. it. So the first thing I'm gonna use some of this season here. All of my season blend up in this. I'm just use like that one, 2 big teaspoon or tablespoon. So we finish with this. Alright, so now I'm gonna use up a black pepper. It's just sprinkle away. I'm not asking me to know measurement. We just a sprinkle away. See how this is here? That's a chicken season. So it look they're from Jamaica. I don't know. It's a little paprika. This is the bag of all-purpose. We just sprinkle away. This is a little garlic powder. This is a little browning just to give the meat some little color. And this you have to use a small amount of pepper. Just a cayenne pepper. We get like a spice. So now marinate everything now together. So what I do is marinate it. Yes. I'm going to let it stay like this. Cover it. See? Right, so I let it stay like this. And let it marinate for another hour. I'm gonna put it in my fridge and make it cool. I make it marinate for another hour. I make it marinate for another hour. I'm gonna pack back all these stuff because I'm not using them no more. And so I'm gonna cook that with some white rice and I don't know where it will come to mind. May find something to cook. But I'm going to do that with some white rice or something. Alright? So I get back to you guys. Yeah. Okay guys. So see, I put oil. Oil is in the pot. So I'm just going to brown the chicken. Mega brown the chicken. And the oil is hot, hot, hot. The oil is supposed to be very hot. See? Yeah. All right. So you pick them out one by one and put them in the oil. Nice. Oh, look at this. That part of me love the chicken bati. That's why I chat so much. All right. I think the oil is hot now because the oil upon it heat a long time now, so it's hot. Yeah. I'm not going to put everything because I want everything to have a nice little flavor. to stay there and make it brown. See? Okay. I'm going to wait until it's brown. Then I flip them. Then I take them out and put in the other set. Okay guys, so the chicken fried. See? Done fry, brown. So now the same pot wet browning now. See? This is the pot wet browning. So too much oil is in it, so I'm gonna throw some of the oil and use the same pot and everything to put down the sauce. So you don't need no water, nothing in it also, see? So I'm do now. Put some water in it. If you cook down the chicken, like at least 2 cup of, like 2.5 cup of water. Okay, you know what this? The chicken liver. So I'm fry it. But this don't cook with the rest. This is gonna be mouth right now. Mm. Chicken liver. Sample the chicken for every season and buy just frying piece of the liver. No. I don't know, I put like a ketchup in the water because I don't like sauce from the bottom of the pot. See? So I'm putting them first. So I'm putting each piece of chicken in it. Because it can cook down and make a nice gravy. This is me that cut up one potato in it. I don't know. Because by just browning it, it's not cooked properly. So this now we finished off and let's cook properly. Alright. You see this? Remember is the what I used to season the chicken. All those nice rinse out the base, you know? Right. And put a little ketchup to taste. And then good. And let it cook down to a simmer. Let it cook to a simmer. Alright, as soon as it cook down to a nice simmer and have a nice gravy thickness, it's ready. Okay? You know what happened, guys? My chicken simmering down. Now my daughter come and tell me, say, oh, more. You must put potato in the Irish potato in the chicken. So it's not too late. So what I'm doing, I'm just gonna hurry up and peel the potato and put them in the pot. Put it in the pot. I can potato, just slice it. Look, them growing. So to make them cook, now cut them very thin. To cut them very thin. That's them can come along. That's them can cook. At the last minute, them say they want potato in it. They try to put them potato, but it's not too late. Okay, so see, look in the pot. Yeah, okay, see, it's not too late. Looking good. So me have enough water, me have enough juice in it. Fix the potato then cut thin. Nice. So now I just make it simmer down. Good. Beautiful. Looking good. Okay guys, let's see how my stewed chicken coming on. Oh, see that? See? Yeah. Gravy thick and nice. Nice. See? So nice. The potato cook. Oh, you see, potato cook. All right. Looking good. So I can turn off the stove now. And then I'll show you something. Then I'm going to dig in. Yes. I'm going to share my dinner and make you see what my dinner is for today. All right. So yes, guys, I'm ready. See? My brown stewed chicken and a piece of potatoes. My white rice with gravy all over the rice and some sliced up tomato. Damn, not because I may cook it. Freaking good. Let me tell you guys, this is the part of chicken I like, the bony area. See? Bone. Some people don't like bone. Me come from Jamaica. I love the bone. Over 1 year now I start this YouTube channel. I'm gonna put no effort or pride in it to say continue. But maybe I never go continue. Because I love the cooking. And I love eating my own food. It tastes good. Okay. Fling with the fork use a spoon. Spoon eat rice. Yes, I agree the people eat rice with spoon. Well, me are one of them. Nice. Long glass of homemade iced tea. Now go to a restaurant, a Corona. Bowl. Some people eat bowl and just no. My bone of is suck off. Suck off. Some people don't do bone. I do bone. Food sweet. Can't bother with the fork. Do spoon. One hold the spoon, the utensils, and one hold the meat. Whenever you people enjoy their own food. So, I'm gonna try at least one video a week. Cause I'm so busy at work. And for shoot videos, ain't that easy. That's why a lot of people who have YouTubers, then quit working. But Benjamin dinner. Nice dinner. Today's Wednesday. Just tender. So, my husband I eat chicken, so I'm cooking fish. Okay, my brown stew fish. Next time I have dinner with him. Okay, guys? Real thing. Brown stew chicken and white rice with Irish potato. I can just look at my face and see how delicious this meal is. Come and enjoy it. When I just cook and just show a picture. Me cook and eat my food. Because they say, my food eatable. Tasteable. Lovable. All the bubbles. My belly full. So guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I need it. I need it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Really, really need it. Chicken back. Chicken backbone. Now go to the restaurant because I don't eat no Corona food. Make me cook my own food. Make sure I eat. Alright guys. Thumbs up, subscribe.